This is going to show you how to take a Screencastify video. First of all, to get started, you're going to find this icon up here, this red arrow with the movie camera in it. If that does not show up there, then this puzzle piece should be there. You click on the puzzle piece and then you'll be able to find Screencastify down there. I'm going to click on Screencastify and this is going to pop up. Sometimes you might need to do webcam only. Sometimes I'll ask you to do your desktop. For snow, you are going to do your desktop with the embedded webcam. And you just click record right here. Let's see, let's check. My mic is working. I've got the webcam I'm on. And here we go. I start my recording. I'm going to click for this one, your entire screen. And share. Then I click on play on my snow. And I can sing along with it.
Snow, snow, snow.
Oh, snow, 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 snow. Oh. Etc. It's that easy.